It's Allure versus BeautyFix box by Derm Store. Who's got the better box this month? Stay tuned and let me know. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracey. Chloe and Bandit aren't with me this evening. Chloe's at Ocean Camp and Bandit's at home with my husband. But if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So these boxes are a mixture of full size and samples. So they're similar in that way. They're similar in price. You do tend to get a few more things in the BeautyFix store, or BeautyFix box. It is by the Derm Store, and everything is approved and I think chosen by dermatologists. So last month it was kind of a tie. So we're going to give the newcomer BeautyFix the first shot today, which I think we did last time too, because they were in the arrears. But last month they really made up for it. All right, now here is your sneak peek. Now I don't know if you can see this, but these black little squiggles put off so much color on the products. So the first item I'll show you, right? It looks like it's a little bit dirty, but that's just the color from the squiggles in there. This is by Eve Lom, and I have no idea what it is, because this doesn't come with a card, so you have to go online and look. All right, there's this little cheesecloth thing, and this is their cleanser. Oh, so this must be to clean with. It looks like a little cloth to cleanse with, and this is a sample size. This is a very, very pricey brand though. So, you know, I think it's nice that you get to kind of give it a try. I mean, maybe you'll like it, maybe you won't. But it gives you an idea as to how the product performs. So, you know, maybe if you see it on sale and you really liked it, pick it up. This sample size is 8 milliliters or 0.26 fluid ounces. And there's no other information on there other than it's distributed by Space Brands Ltd in London, and it's made in England. All right, we have quite a few samples this time around. Last time I think we had 4, and this time we have 5, maybe 6, or we have 3 full size. This is by La Roche-Posay. And this is the Double Repair Face Moisturizer. This is 3 milliliters. It is made in France, oil-free, fragrance-free, non-comedogenic, which means it won't clog pores, allergy-tested and paraben-free. This company is not cruelty-free, so it's not a brand that I typically would reach for. You can get this though, it's very reasonably priced, although it's on the higher end prices when you go to like your local pharmacy or Target, but it is a reasonably priced. You can find it at department store, drugstore. Next, by Peter Thomas Roth, is the Water Drench Broad Spectrum SPF Broad Spectrum SPF 45 Hyaluronic Cloud Sheer Tint Moisturizer. This has a UVA UVB sunscreen, 30% hyaluronic acid complex. Pentavitin helps provide up to 72 hours of hydration and tone evening tint. All right, so shake well, apply to face and neck 15 minutes before the sun, and you want to reapply it every 15 minutes. Big chunk out. This is 5 milliliters or 0.17 fluid ounces. I got out far more than I wanted. There it is. So it does just drench right into your skin and doesn't leave any residue on your hands either, so I like that. Next, by Claude Delay, is the Vino Perfect Radiance Serum. This is 10 milliliters, and this does have a 1% For the Planet member on the back, 100% plastic collect. And what does it have for ingredients? It's got some grapevine shoot extract. It does have fragrance in it. First ingredient is water, butyl glycol, glycerin, squalane. So, interesting ingredients. I wonder how strong the scent is. I don't smell anything, but it does say that it has perfume in it. And then next, by Elizabeth Arden, is the 8-Hour Hydroplay Skin Perfecting Daily Moisturizer. And this is just a little guy, just a little tiny, 5 milliliters. And there's very little information other than how to use it on there, so it doesn't tell me about any of the ingredients in there. Oh, wait a minute, but we got this on the flyer, so let's see what this says. More than a moisturizer, this lightweight skin perfector delivers all-day hydration for softer, smoother, glowing skin. Restores skin's moisture barrier while refining pores, controlling excess oil, blurring imperfections, and creating an even canvas for makeup. It hydrates, smooths, has oil control, moisture barrier, primes, brightens, soothes, and perfects. First ingredient is water. Squalane is the second ingredient, so real high up there. And then further down towards the bottom, we have some sodium hyaluronate. Next, we have by Paula's Choice. So if you can see, like, that's just from those squiggles in there. This is a skin perfecting 6% mandelic acid and 2% lactic acid liquid exfoliant. So I don't think this is full size, but I think this is a great sample size. I mean, this is 3 milliliters right here. It says it's going to improve sun damage, dullness, and fine lines, reverses a compromised skin barrier, and gentle and effective for all skin types. So that's a great size. Like, that's a sample size I am happy to get. By Murad is their Acne Control Rapid Relief Acne Spot Treatment. It says it's going to reduce blemish sizes and redness within 4 hours and has 2% salicylic acid treatment. This is maximum strength. This is a half of an ounce, but I believe that this is a full size, and it is cruelty-free, and there is how that looks. And then last, by Medigate, is a Hydrate B5 Intense Hyaluronic Acid with NMF Hydration Serum. This is 1 fluid ounce, so this is going to be full size. You want to avoid contact with eyes. You're going to put it across your face, neck, and this area in here. First ingredient is water, which usually is pretty usual. But one of the top ingredients is sodium hyaluronate, which is a great form of hyaluronic acid. And it has carrot juice, soybean seed extract, lysine HCl, hydrolyzed wheat protein. Okay. Take a look at this. Carton is made from well-managed FSC certified forests and other controlled sources. Carbon and cartoning insert are recyclable and biodegradable. Oh, that's pretty. It's purple. All right, so here we go. So I will say that that box is getting consistently better every box, which I'm happy with, because the first couple of boxes were real duds, but consistently better. Now it is a skincare box. You might get like a a makeup stick or something like that, but it's not your makeup box. Okay, Allure's feeling a little light this month, but here is your sneak peek. The very first item in here is the Tula Get It and Glow Cooling Brightening Eye Balm. This is a full-size item. It's a $38 value, and it's a stick, which, you know, I love a stick. This is probably my favorite of, I've tried the pink one, the orange one, and this one. I don't think I've tried the gold one. All right, so there is just a little stick in there, and it is very cooling. And if you want it to cool even more on these really hot days, throw it in the refrigerator. Tula is a cruelty-free brand, and let's see what this says. Balm feels cool and refreshing going on, and it shall actually last well after application. A neat trick that energizes tired eyes and help you wake up as you drink your morning coffee. Skincare that derives this kind of sensorial experience is about to become a bigger trend. Keep it next to your computer, and you might even find yourself reapplying throughout hot summer days. What I like about this one compared to the orange one actually has like a color to it. So it's almost like this, it's almost like a highlighter. So I'm not really sure about that. The pink one doesn't have a color, but the blue one is my favorite. Next, by Malin and Getz, is their Dark Rum Perfume Oil. And it says it has notes of rum, sweet plum, and bright bergamot. It's inspired by classic sailor's favorite bay rum, with a sweetly crisp finish that makes an overall sparkly, not boozy effect. This is $36 for 9 milliliters, which is what this size is. So I guess this is considered a full size. All right, there is how we look. Oh, that's not bad. I've smelled the, I didn't like the candle, but this is really nice. Yeah, I do like this. Next, by Yves Saint Laurent, is their Beauty Touch Eclat Blur Primer. And I was really confused when I saw this as a spoiler, because I was like, is that a perfume? Because, oh, so you didn't see, there's sparkles in there. Can you see the sparkles? Now the full size of this at 30 milliliters is $56. So this is actually just like a, it's not a doe foot applicator, it's just plastic. Oh yeah, it has that kind of velvety feel from like Benefit. It has a glittering golden effect in the bottle, but on skin it's all radiance with no obvious shimmer. It gives a base staying power and makes your complexion feel smoother. And this size here is 10 milliliters. So this is about a third of a full size. Not too bad. Next, by Biro, New York, is the Golden Carrot Overnight Relief Mask. So you're going to wear this overnight. I love an overnight mask. It has hydrating superstars such as squalane and glycerin and shea butter. It says it's going to make your skin softer while you sleep. The full size for 65 milliliters is $142. This is a very expensive brand, and this is 10 milliliters. All right, next we have another full size item, and usually the full size items are in the top, in the front of it, of the description, so I'm surprised this is towards the back. This is by Flannery. This is also a very pricey brand. This is a vegan brand. This is the Water Lily PHA Pore Refining Exfoliator. It's 45 milliliters, and this is $52. So it's an exfoliator, guys, for $42 or $52. It has polyhydroxide acids, which are exfoliants that tend to be gentler than other chemical exfoliants like AHAs and BHAs. but they still do a great job of removing dead skin cells. And I've gotten this brand from Curator. I got a trio, and it was like, I don't know, some ridiculous expensive amount. I mean, it was in the Curator box, so I was happy to get it. And then last by Nativa Spa is the Rosé Replenishing Body Lotion. And I've had this before. I really like it. A full size of 400 milliliters goes for $29. This is 30 milliliters, so just a fraction of it. And it says it leaves the skin feeling soft and smelling amazing. And it does smell really nice. It has quinoa oil and a fruity aroma. All right, so which was the better box? I mean, this one had Tula, which I love. It had the exfoliator, it had the skin cream, the perfume, also full size, the primer, and the face mask. So I can never get these to look right. I'm always dropping something. But I think they were both really good boxes. Which one was my favorite this month? I'm going to go with this one because of the variety of products. But they were both fantastic boxes. Let me know what your favorite one was. And please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. And hopefully, I'll see you soon.